Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And, the question that I got asked a lot since I started the series of Microsoft Edge browser and how to use it is which browser is the more, is actually giving you more privacy. Which browser, in many ways, a lot of you have asked the question that is more like, what browser snoops the most on you, and does Edge snoop less than than Chrome? That's a hard one to answer, honestly. Both browsers probably snoop on you for different purposes. I'm not the one that thinks it snoops on you because they want to learn, they want to know who you are, and sell your information just for selling information. That's not the way Microsoft works. And Google is a big ad company in reality. So the snooping is done purely and mostly for ad revenue for ads. So of course it's official that Microsoft Edge will do some snooping because there will be some tracking. And of course the Bing engine is going to track you as a search engine like Google. But it has a different purpose. Does it track you more or less? That's a tough one because of the fact that both browsers in some way want to track you. I would kind of tend to think that Google Chrome snoops on you more because it doesn't have that many settings to play around to, control cookies and control the tracking that's going on the web, where Microsoft Edge actually has quite a nice page of privacy with the different tracking prevention options, which is much more advanced than what Google actually tries to do. So I would think that Google Chrome probably snoops more on you than Microsoft Edge. But that said, it's very difficult, and it's difficult to really know exactly what happens and what snoops and where's the snooping going and so on. And remember that it's not just a browser that's snooping on you. There's a lot of all the websites basically want to track you, want to see, tracking cookies and stuff like that. Everybody just wants to snoop on the web. And it's mostly for the ad capabilities, If they can serve you ads that you like, well, of course, you'll be able to have a more, interesting experience with ads that might actually reflect what you like. It's really in terms of making money. So, hard to say, but I would tend to think that Google Chrome probably snoops more. And the fact that there's all of these options in Edge that help you in tracking prevention might kind of show you that it tracks you less. But looks can be deceiving, and it's a very difficult thing to really assess and actually know. So, we'll see as time goes by and if, reports come out. But I would put them at least as equal. If one snoops more on you, I would probably say it's Google Chrome. But like I said, it's not always that easy to actually see what happens and who is actually the worst in that type of privacy and snooping. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.